Great day, everybody. Today, I want to pull back the curtains on what it really looks like to prepare for living full-time on a cruise ship. And here's the spoiler alert. This is not a cookie-cutter process. This is a step-by-step blueprint. It's real, it's personal, and it's been transformational. So let's talk about it. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer, aka the Laptop Cruiser, and I'm on a mission to help women 50 and over go from stuck to unstoppable by reclaiming their time, purpose, and freedom through intentional travel, mindset shifts, and remote income strategies. So, when I made this decision to pursue this lifestyle, to make the ocean my backyard, and call cruise ship my full-time home, I started with a plan. And see, that's just how my brain works. I created this 100-day countdown calendar, put it up on the wall and everything, and I was prepping for the transition. The idea was to break it down month by month. So for me, February was going to be about mindset. I thought I was pretty good in that area because I started this journey back in 2019. March was downsizing, April was the financing, and May was supposed to be the planning and cruise selection phase. Simple enough, right? Okay, nothing about this has been simple. And that's exactly what I want to share with you. It's not just the packing, but the unpacking. As I worked through my 100-day countdown, I quickly discovered something. This journey isn't just about packing for a new life, it's about unpacking everything that no longer served me. So yeah, I was letting go of clothes, furniture, the physical stuff, but the real heaviness, it came from the mental clutter. And y'all remember I had all those little sections, the donate pile, the giveaway, the throwaway, all that cute stuff. Girl, please. The mental clutter, the beliefs, the fears, the stories that told me I was too late. I was too much, too far behind, to choose this kind of freedom. And that's the part that I didn't see coming. The mindset shift wasn't a phase. It wasn't just a 1-month thing. It was the foundation. So every decision since then has been layered on top of that work. So, like I said, this journey is anything but cookie cutter. I want to speak especially to those of you who watching who feel pulled towards a new lifestyle, but overwhelmed by how different your journey looks compared to what you see online. And I get it. So many YouTube channels with people living on cruise ship show you where they are now. They're doing the cabin tours, exploring ports, showing dining experiences, sipping drinks by the pool. All that is needed, enjoyed, and inspiring. But what I noticed was this. Very few people share the journey of how they got there. The real work, the emotional shifts, the unglamorous steps in between. That's what this channel was originally meant to document. And it still is. But I've come to realize this isn't just about living full-time on a cruise ship. It has been more about the kind of woman who chooses that life, and unapologetically at that. Hey, so we're building as we go. And let me be honest with you. I thought this was going to be a smooth transition, but this process, this has been a total life reinvention. This isn't just a checklist. It's a rebuild, a reset, a reclaiming. I'm building as I go. And I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. And I'm doing it in real time. And I'm taking you along for the ride. Every pivot, every revelation, every breakthrough. Because I don't want to just show you the destination. I want to walk you through the transformation. From stuck to unstoppable. I didn't know that deciding to live full-time at sea would unlock this much growth, but it has, and I'm thankful for it. So, this journey has forced me to look at who I've been, who I am now, and who I am becoming. And the woman I'm becoming, she's free, she's clear, and she's unstoppable. So if you're watching this thinking, can I really do that? Could I really create something this bold, this different, this personal? Let me be the one to say yes. Yes, you can. But it won't look like anyone else's story. This is your journey. And that's okay. That's exactly what makes it powerful. So, here's what I'll leave you with. If your journey doesn't look clean or linear, that's okay. If it feels like you're doing it differently, slower, messier, that's okay. What matters is that you're doing it intentionally and that you're honoring the woman you're becoming along the way. This channel will continue to show you the real side of preparing for full-time travel, the practicals, the mindset shifts, the real transformations, and real life transitions. Because this isn't just about living on a cruise ship. It's about becoming unstoppable. And if this resonates with you, drop a comment below and tell me where you are in your journey. And go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification because we are just getting started and we're so glad you're here for the ride.